student, Sairam. Welcome to online computer class. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 3, man versus computer. Now students, we already have done 2 lessons. Lesson number 1, computer, its types. Lesson number 2, computer at various places. Now student, you all know how computer is useful for us, how computer made our life fast, how we use computer in all areas of our life, in all our day-to-day work. Okay, now let's have a comparison in between man and computer. Let's see man versus computer. Now computer says, so how computer is useful for us? Computer says computer can be better than human. Yes, we all know computer is better than human. Computer is very fast. Computer doesn't get tired. Computer do all work without making any mistakes. Okay, but let's see what human said. Human said, but how it can be possible? Man has made computer, then how can a computer be better than a man? Computer says computer can be better than human. In some areas computer can be better than human. But human says how it is possible? Because computer is a man-made machine. So how computer can be better than human? Because computer works on instructions of human. Without any instruction, it cannot work. Computer need instructions to do work. If you give instructions to the computer, computer process that instructions and gives us output. So computer only works according to the instructions given by human. Without man, computer is a dumb machine. Is it true? Computer only works on instructions given by human. Without man, computer is a dumb machine. But computer says, but still I am better than man. But still I am better than man. Let's have a comparison. Now let's see a difference between man and computer, or let's have a comparison in between man and computer. Computer says, I can remember many things and never forget them. Man says, I can remember few things but can forget them after some time. Now, we use computer in many fields. Now, let's see the example of school. In school, there are thousands of students are learning. So for human, is it possible to remember each and every student name, each and every student detail? But computer can store each and every student detail, each and every student information. So computer has a storage device. It stored all these things in that storage device. So it can remember many things and never forget them. Now, next comparison. Computer doesn't make any mistakes, but man can make mistake. If you ask computer to do a huge calculation or to store data of thousands employee in office, so it stored employee data without making any mistakes. But if you tell to any man to store all information of human, so he can make a mistake. He might have make mistake. Okay. Computer work fast, but man works slower than computer. If you ask computer to do a huge calculation, it can perform that calculations within a second. But same task if you give to human or to man, so he will do that task, but he will take time. It works slower than computer. Now, computer doesn't get tired, but man gets tired after some time. If you ask to computer do this work for an hours, it can do for hours without getting tired. But you ask any human to do this work, so he will get tired after some time. Okay. If you ask computer to do any task again and again, same task again and again without getting tired, it will perform. Okay. So computer doesn't get tired. Now, computer cannot take decision on its own. Man can take decision on his own. As I told you, computer is a man-made machine, so it cannot take decision on its own. It needs instructions from human. It works on instructions of human. But human can take decision on his own. If you want to play, you can play. If you want to do studies, you studies at any time. It is your decision. If you want to eat, you eat. So you can take your decision on you. So man can take his decision on his own. Now, computer doesn't have feelings. Like it doesn't have feeling, like where sometimes it feels sad, happy. It doesn't have any feelings. It is a machine. But man has a feelings. We feel sad, sometimes we feel happy. Okay. Computer needs electricity to work, but man doesn't need electricity to work. Okay. Computer works on electricity. Without electricity, it will not work. Now, let's see what we learn. Difference between man and computer. Computer remember many things and never forget them. Computer stored so many things. Computer stored huge amount of information. But man can remember few things and forget them after some time. Computer doesn't make any mistake, but man can make mistake. Computer work very fast, but man works slower than computer. Computer doesn't get tired, but man gets tired after some time. Computer cannot take decision on its own, but man can take decision on his own. Computer doesn't have feeling, but man has feeling. Computer needs electricity to work, but man does not need electricity to work. Now, this is a comparison in between computer and man. Now, students, if you see, computer cannot work without man. Okay, man gives instructions to the computer, then it will work. Without human, computer is a dumb machine. But nowadays, man also depend on computer. So, computer makes our life easy and fast. So we use computer in many fields. So man and computer both are interdependent, both are dependent on each other, both are complement of each other. Yes. So in this way we finish our lesson number 3, computer at various places. Now students, read this lesson carefully If you have any doubt, you will ask me in our live session. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.